Good morning, cyber traders. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Today is the 18th, my favorite number because I'm born on the 18th. Less than 1 week away from Christmas. How's everyone doing? Good to see you all. Grant, did you see you, Michael? Everyone on social media? Wow, what a great day today. Let me tell you, I didn't think we were going to have 1,000% mover yesterday. I sent out a bunch of emails to all of you. Listen, if you didn't get it, listen, you're going to miss about 90% of them. But it wasn't just this one that made a big move. We're going to check out. There's another one that was up pretty big. It was. Let me tell you. When we had our meeting in the morning, when we were on, me and Josh, I was like, it was an okay day. It was a big list. But then if you heard what I was telling you earlier, I said, you know what? Days like today, usually around the 10:30, you'll probably get a 10:30 move. That's when things start picking up a little bit. And that's exactly what happened with NUKK. This stock just literally right around that time, you can see here's 10:30 right there. You could see it wasn't really going anywhere. And then 10:30 program trading kicked in. And then now you had a stock that had a new high. Stock was trading at 390. And then it went from a whopping $15 a share. I sent out an email to a bunch of you in the cyber group room. I got some great responses. I got back to most of you this morning. Please tell me what happened. How did you do on? Did you get it? Did you not get it? No big deal. But it wasn't just this one. There was another stock that we did pretty well. I'm actually still holding this one too. Is the RZ? Did anybody get the RZLV? That was another one. I'm still holding that one. This is the thing. This is the reason why I held this one. I saw AI. All right. And remember I told you this yesterday. Anything like back in the day with .com or anything like that, back in the internet bubble, is going to make a run. So this one, yeah, I jumped in right around, what price is this? Was it 240? No, I jumped in. I think it was right around here. I think it was around 220, 230, right around here. I still had it. And the funny part is I went out to do some Christmas shopping and I came back and I'm like, oh my God, the thing's only down to 3. It was up all the way up to 4, because I didn't have my alerts. I wasn't day trading. I was doing more of a swing trade on it. And I'm like, man, that thing went up a lot. And I'm like, all right, I'll see what happens in the morning. So I still have this one right here, the RZLV, but I wish I had the other one better. I didn't jump on the other one. I jumped on this one because I like to do more swing trades after 10:30. I'm not more of a day trader. But anyway, these stocks did really, really well. A couple other ones also that we did really well on. QUBT is still effing moving. This thing just won't stop. The QUBT has been not only a great day trade, it's been a huge, huge swing trade. Now, remember, just like here on social media, we tell everyone here and everybody that's new here, new trial members, we just don't day trade. You have to learn how to day trade to be a good swing trader. That's how it all starts. So part of that is understanding how you find these things. And I know everybody's still hooked on the brand names. I always like to talk about them. I mean, I got a bunch of people who are messaging me about Tesla and, hey, what's going on with this one? Listen, there are other stocks out there that you could trade that are moving just as big. You know what I mean? Percentage-wise, you catch one of these, you did great on it. But yeah, I had Tesla on my watch list. I still can't believe how much it's going up. A lot of us got out of the Tesla, the TSLL. I got out around 22, 23 because I was trading other things. I couldn't trade them all. But yeah, it's still looking pretty good. It's backing off today. I think it's a little bit of a short squeeze. The reason why I'm not a fan of it, it went up too fast. When they go up this fast, I've been doing this for 35 years. A lot of you have been here for a while. We know what happens when they go up this quickly, okay? Was it Karen Woods, the big mutual fund girl? The one I took a picture, you've probably seen her on my social media. I know she got out of it. She sold it. And she sold a couple of days ago. So she's probably still kicking herself in the butt, regarding about Kathy Woods. Yeah. So Kathy, I know she got out of it. She posted what she does. And sure enough, listen, that's trading, you know what I mean? But anyway, let's go through a couple other stocks that also did pretty well. You had a couple of more AI stocks. So AI and the quantum stocks are doing pretty well. You had the BBAI that did really well yesterday. That's going back on a watch list. another AI stock. And you know what is the the AI stocks? They're not that expensive, and the quantum leap stocks were not really that expensive. The only one that got a little expensive is the stock AI. But I told you, they're not going anywhere, these stocks. They're going to be here forever. TEVA was another one. That one was pretty good yesterday. Nice pharmaceutical stock, still holding here pretty strong. That one did all right. And the CRDF, I want to leave you off with that one. That one is still holding pretty strong. I'm going to keep that on the watch list too. CRDF. It never really backed up. It closed out strong going into the close, and it's still there. All right, so a couple other big stocks that are moving this morning. So I know a lot of you guys caught on to this. If you're watching on social media, you're probably wondering what happened to this. But PLRZ, another big runner. She started, she came a little early this morning, but she's starting to back off right now. Let me get a couple of, hold on a second. Let me kind of eliminate some stocks here and add them to my level 4. All right. Got a little too many stocks here. I got to take off. I used up all my tabs. All right. Oh, there we go. Just want to add this one over here. PLRZ. There we go. All right. Oops. PRLZ. There we go. All right. So this one's going on the watch list. Wait, what happened here? Why can't it come up? Did I put on the wrong data feed? Yeah, there we are. PLRZ. There we go. All right. So this one's going on the watch list. PLRZ. All right. As orders go, there have been a lot of them hovering right around. Yeah, you can see there's a lot of them hovering around $3.40, $4. Let me bring this over here so you guys can see that. Just look at the right of the chart, not the left of the chart. Looking at orders, so we could see what we got going over there. So yeah, you got resistance. That's probably where it backed off. It's up a lot, up 165%. I like the spread. I like the price range. It's everything we're looking for. Here's another one, CGTX. Let me go look at the right of the chart and see what we got going on over here on this one too. Nice little stock, putting this on the watch list. CGTX. Nice spread, nice movement. Big buyers right around here below the dollar. You know, I'm not a big fan of stocks that trade on the dollar. That's why you see how they hold pretty strong there at the dollar price range. But, cheap stock. We'll see she holds there up to 130%. Here's another one that's up 90%. Okay. And we know what that is. All right. That one's going back on our watch list. We traded this stock before. Everybody remember the stock in November, everybody? We're from $1 to about $8 about 2 days. So just when you thought you missed out on the NUK, the NUKK, it's not the first, and it will never be the last. Finding stocks that go up that much. She's on that back. She's back on our watch list. The PRZO stock had a great after hours push. It's on the back trend right now. This stock was right around 50 cents, around about $3. By the way, for some of you on social media, we don't trade penny stocks, all right? Because I had one person just ask me. No, these are NASDAQ National. If they weren't, we won't get level 2 quotes, and we won't get level 4 quotes. So that's the reason why, all right? But we like to trade them because they're very inexpensive. You can afford them. They're right up our alley. They just end up, they're moving. This is a pretty interesting stock. Look at this nice little trend right here. It goes from $1.20 back down to $1.05, $1.20, $1.05. It looks like it's starting to make a little bit of Fausto flag. I like this one right here. ABAT. Almost could probably, let me go check. Definitely probably some big iceberg orders hovering right around those two prices. Remember, we're only dealing with pre-market right now. Yep. Just what I thought. Ooh, that makes sense. Big orders showed up right here on the bid right here, and that's what caused the stock to go back up. You could see the orders out there. See that big order right there? How many shares was that? 149,000, 150,000 shares was sitting right there. All right. That's what I like to see. What else we got going on here? 31%, WIMI. Oh, my God. Looks like we're getting a big list right here. This one looks a lot better. Nice push, nice trend. Just started making a big move right now. It broke over $1, but, I'm not a fan of that. There's NUK. All right, we know that one. I would be careful of the stock. Stock's going to probably be very, very volatile right now. Listen, that stock went up. Oh, that stock went up way too much. All right. I'm going to pass on that one. Let all the amateurs trade it. All right. This one's got an ugly spread. This one's got a good spread, good volume, not really trending too much, but this stock took a really big hit. U.S. robotics stock. We were watching the stock yesterday. This stock is a really nice stock. It was just very, very slow. She became a very good swing trade all of a sudden. There's our VRMR. VRAR. That one's on our watch list again. Oops, sorry, spelled it wrong. VRAR. Nice little push, nice trend holding here, but not really moving that much. Maps. Ugly spread. All right, we're up 16%. We got to cut it down here. All right, we didn't even hop into the New York. What's up at New York? Anything moving up over there? This one's got a nice little push. OKLO. Nice trend, nice push. Probably very volatile. Big spread. Look what showed up. I haven't seen this little stock in a long time. Chip. Very, very slow. Very slow. If you're a beginner trader, this is right up your alley. JBL's doing pretty nice. Is that the stock? Is that the speakers? No. Brickstone Holdings. Nope. Not interested in that. Not interested in that. All right. So we got a pretty good list going on here. All right. Charge point packed with General Motors. Installing ultra-fast charge ports in key locations. Oh, really? Oh, now they decided to do that after the billions of dollars they got? All right. Well, I got one in my house. So now they're going to decide they're going to go public. Well, they should, because we're getting a lot more electric cars on the road. I definitely feel that. NVIDIA moving back up too. Yeah, I see that too. It's up about $3. Stocks are taking a big hit, but let me tell you, Kerry, it's got a long way to go. It's got a long way to go. All right. I did tell you that 129 is a big support level, and it's kind of like hovering within that range. So let's make sure it doesn't make a new lower low here. All right. Okay, traders. Warren Sanders on YouTube says, I bought QUBT, average cost $11.29. Well, congratulations to you. All right. You have it as a swing trade, Warren? The QUBT looking pretty nice on that trade right there. All right. Let's get ready for the open, everybody. 1 week away from Christmas. Don't forget, tomorrow we have open house here. So if you have not registered, we'll give you the link. I'm going to teach everyone how to trade. We do it once a week here. It's an open house. It's a live broadcast that I do, teaching about level 2 and level 3. But let me tell you, I'm probably thinking we have one of the most exciting weeks, actually months, that I've probably seen in decades. I haven't seen the market move up this much, not only after an election, but even going after the election. And it's been really fun. So I'll make a video about the quantum stocks and the AI stocks and what's going on with that. And Anchor also, Archer stock is still doing pretty well. I don't know if you guys saw the video on that one too that I posted. Just make sure you like us, friend us, and make sure you leave a comment. It's on YouTube. It's on YouTube, X, Instagram, all of it. There's the link right there if you guys want to watch it. But if you want to know what's going on with all these drones flying around all over everywhere, New Jersey, and what's going on, you might want to watch this video. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. We'll see you when the market opens up in 15 minutes. If you want to come join our trading room, or if you watch this video as a recording, take your phone, scan the QR code, and we're here all day, trading live all day. All right. Otherwise, we're here live every morning at 9 a.m. and at 2:30. Good luck, everybody. Happy trading. We'll see you in about 15 minutes. Don't go anywhere.